Hi guys, it's another day. It's another beautiful, sunny, bright, loving, everything day. Yet I am still in another city. I don't want to go back to my city. Like, don't get me wrong, I miss school. I really do miss school, but I don't want to go back. Like, no. I want to enjoy. I want to enjoy this place, like, oh my god. There's so much fun going to somewhere different, somewhere that you don't really know a lot of people. Like, it's really, oh, this stuff. It's really like nice. So today I should be on my way now to the zoo. I heard the zoo is open during winter, so hopefully I could just go see some animals. Yesterday I went to Mega Mall, but I tried my possible best to vlog, but the guy was like, there was a security man that walked up to me. I was like, no, I can't use the camera, please. And I was like, oh, the mall is so beautiful. And I said I was going to use my phone, so I had to use my friend's phone to make videos. So hopefully I can, slide it in somewhere in this video. I don't know where, but either way. So today I would go to the zoo, then from the zoo I will go to a mall, just to do a little bit of shopping. Oh, my phone is ringing. Oh shit. Just 1 minute. Hello? Oh, what's the number? 2203. Okay, I'm going downstairs. Thank you. Okay, so my taxi is here and I should be on my way to the zoo. And yeah, I've even forgotten what I was saying. Well, never mind. So yeah guys, oh, I said I was going to be going to the mall. I want to buy something so that at least I'll just remember that I traveled to somewhere different. And when I look at whatever I'm going to buy today, I'll just be like, yes, I did something different. So yeah, I mean, this sun is really making my face look clear, clean and bright. Let me stop talking before the cabman will keep adding money for me. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. So we are at the zoo, the zoo park. So I'm just going to show you guys around. It's so pretty, but it's cold. See goats. What animal is this? Domestic goats? It's just on it. See, no? Domestic goats. Meh! He said, oh.
Did you ever get on this?
No.
On the merry-go-round? You never did?
No. Wait, look at this path. Wow.
That's how my voice is going to come in video.
I can
My voice is going to come into the thing. What is here?
I don't know.
Are they inside?
Maybe. I just hope there are no lions that will come out and be like, what is this? This is nice, but it's scary, kind of. Huh? Wait, we are walking to the middle of nowhere. Let's turn back to this.
Let's go. There's something at the end of this. There's something at the end of that place.
Okay.
The lion comes. Should I run and leave you?
You brought me to this park, so what are those? Domestic ships. The domestic ships. Huh.
How would you come to a zoo and then there's no one to follow?
There's no one to guide us. Like, I told you, they're domestic ships. I think domestic ships. Oh my god, what is that? What is that?
That was a pig.
No, that can't be a pig. What? Hey, look at this. I can't even show you guys.
That's
Okay, what animal is this? What are these? What if it jumps out? Oh my god, they're pigs. Pigs grunt?
yeah.
What if it jumps out and starts kissing me or something? What?
Pigs don't.
The grunts, no? I don't know the sounds that
What
pigs
the word
make.
is in English. I know the sound.
Okay. Let's go.
Probably come out to do that thing.
What, a snake? No, sir. No, I'll run away. I'll throw my camera away. Crocodile.
There was an animal there.
Elefante.
A porcupine.
There's a porcupine.
It's not, I can't find it.
Oh, but that's what's written on it.
Yeah.
Indian porcupine.
I think they are cold through there.
Ooh la la.
Probably they were cold until they moved.
I like the fact that it's in English and also in Russian, so or Ukrainian, so you can actually understand what's going on. What are these? Birds. These are Friesland. What? These are what's written on it? Let me try to.
Frizzled butt chickens.
I can't even see. It's not focused. Friesland dwarf chickens.
Frizzled?
Frizzled. Oh, I said Friesland. Oh my god. Yeah, dude. These are downy chickens. I can't see. Look at this.
Don't enter in chicken. Don't chicken.
How would I go inside? Like it's scary. God. Can you see? It has just one eye. Look at your people.
You're putting it on your vlog. Oh. It's not me. It's your vlogger to ask you.
Look at your people. What if this thing should move? What if it moves? Let me take a picture.
First stand at the pose like this. Then you can do your mouth like how they do this. Go and do this. Maybe.
These stuffs are scary, like.
The English is getting bad with me. See how it turns the neck like around 30.
Why did it?
Oh, I want to show you. I just go.
You said come here, so I don't know my way. Oh, what's this?
You think they're not alive?
No, I didn't know they were alive. Like, these are vultures. Vulture. This is griffon vulture, and look at it.
It's a
Vulvu. You're worse than me. What are these? White-tailed eagle. Where is it?
Look at it right here.
Oh,
looking at you.
I can't see.
It's so nice.
They said white-tailed, but it doesn't have a white tail. Oh my god, my fingers are cold. And the next one is, I don't know what those are. This is my first time hearing this bird.
What?
These are decorative chickens. Oh! And then we have white-necked crane. Is that how they pronounce it, or crane? I don't know what those are.
A crane?
Yeah. This is my first time seeing them. Like, see that? Pheasants. Huh. There's so many birds, like. Wow. Wow. White peacock. Oh, look at this. They're so pretty. Wow.
Peacock? Oh, I wish they would open. I wish they would open.
And this is a common pea fowl.
I wish they would open there at this thing.
And these are the colorful ones. Oh, no, they're not the ones. These are.
These are the ones now. Where are you going to?
Look at these ones. These ones are bigger.
That's a goose. Come this way. We'll get there. We'll get there.
This, oh my god, ostrich. Australian ostrich. Let me show you all. Where? Look at. So big. So big. My hands are cold.
Have you taken an ostrich egg before?
No. It's coming my way. Okay, let's go backward as they're coming forward. What if this thing flies? What is that moving? She said, "You're so mean to me."
I'm mean to you.
I'll put my hand under.
Careful.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Did you see how they freaking? This is how they freaking run.
Now you scared them, you see?
Is that... Wow. This would be a different vlog entirely. Because it's too long. Wait, who's the phone? He's just looking at us like.
Yeah. Perhaps that's a reindeer that way.
It's a reindeer. No, what is it called? Is that Nigerian goat?
Barbaric sheep.
Is that Nigerian goat?
Did it break? It hasn't broken yet.
No, it's not yet.
Not yet broken. Yeah, it's alright. Sorry.
Oh, the llamas.
Oh, it's the llama and the sheep mixed together. Eddie, what's that? That's a buffalo. Yeah.
So this is llama and 4 horn. This is my first time seeing a wolf in real life. This is the first time I'm seeing a wolf in my entire life. Like, guys, good afternoon. Like, it is another bright and sunny day. Today is Thursday, and today is my last day in this beautiful God-given sun city. I don't know if I should call it a sun city because it's been sunny ever since I arrived here, and the sun makes my skin flawless and golden, and man, my melanin be popping under the sun, you know. Like, I really love the sun, and I wish we had this in my city. Like, I want to take pictures every single day, but I don't think my city is this sunny, and I'm leaving, and I'm not happy to leave, really. I'm not, but I would have gotten a train for Friday, but there's no train. Everything is fully booked Friday, Saturday, and I don't want to arrive on Sunday because I don't want to miss church on Sundays. So I decided to pick a train for today, Thursday evening, or Friday morning, because my train is by 12 a.m. in the morning, and I really don't want to go back, but I have to because school resumes February. This is ending of January. And yeah, and I really enjoyed my stay. My friends here really took good care of me, and I'm definitely coming back here. Like, so far so good. This place has been one of the best places I've ever visited, although I haven't really like traveled that much, but I mean, among the places I've visited, this is the best. Trust me, it's the best. So yeah, guys, I don't know what I'm doing today. Maybe I'm going to go out for my last dinner, last supper, I don't know, but I'm just happy I had this experience, and really glad I took the bold step to, you know, go out of my comfort zone and do something good. You guys should just try it. Just go out somewhere different, somewhere not necessarily far away from where you stay, but just do something different from your normal daily activity, and trust me, you're not gonna regret it. Like, I don't know what I'm saying. I just feel like showing you guys my face. Like, okay, let's just admire me for a second. This side is a lot more, I don't know. Everyone is looking at me like, what is this girl doing? Let me open this and show you boys. Baby, it's not really that clear though. It's snowing. No, it's not. Ew. This I just said ew. People live here. I think this part of it is much more, it's prettier than the other side. Don't stop. You shouldn't stop. Freaking hell.